Show you off. Tonight I wanna show you off. We gotta party like it's very 12 tonight.
Bro, same record as last time. Oh my god, it couldn't have gone one more meter. We're playing golf again because I like it. We've got nice scores. Oh, the electricity went out. You can hear alarms of the houses around. It's a beautiful weather today. We're somewhere between the flowers. What's going on here? There's many people here. Oh, I see now why it's so many people here. Okay, this is crazy. I don't want to do this in the future, but it looks cool. Found a ninja. What are they talking about? They also have something.
This is beautiful.
This looks really nice.
This is really cool.
Looks really nice here. Many bonsais here, many trees. People also. Okay, this one is the most beautiful that I've ever seen. Beautiful garden. Some iced coffee with ice cream. Okay, this is interesting. Oh, it's actually really good. Okay, this is beautiful. That's excellent. This looks really great here. Oh, somebody's got a limo there. It looks cool. Maybe I should steal it, right? Okay, this is crazy. This crazy ceiling. Oh my god, it's beautiful here. Oh, I love it. This one is playing something. I don't know how it's called, but it sounds great. Nothing else matters. This is Prague. This is really crazy. Oh my god, look at the castle. Another guy. Many people listening to this music. What are they doing there? Sounds good.
It's so small. All this is clean. There's no artwork on this part. Oh. Centuries.
Wow, this looks great. Eating in the KFC for half price. I'm watching UFC right now. What the hell? Oh my god, I'm repairing this light and I found many ants. It's crazy. Now I've got a dinner and I'm watching Eric. Okay, we're on football again. Nice field. Oh, crazy. We are gonna play table tennis again. Let's go. I feel like a sports guy today because I was playing football, basketball, then workout, and now table tennis. Oh fuck, he destroyed the glass. Today we have our last dancing lesson now. I'm super excited. And it's the complete end of our dancing lessons, I think. And we will have a party on a boat. There she goes, Lara. We are here.
Yeah, we're ready for the dancing.
Let's go, we're full. It's after our lessons. We're all here. I don't know where we're gonna go right now, but it's gonna be fun. Oh my fucking god, look at him. That's crazy. Oh my fucking god, look at him. That's crazy. Oh hell yeah. Oh my god, I'm great. I can play.
Fokat.
She's really in it. Oh my god.
Tani hadir.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
What the fuck, man? What's going on? I don't understand the language. Somebody's here, but that's not them. Oh my god. Oh fuck. Somebody goes there. Oh my god. That's him. That's the one that... Hey, shut the fuck up, man. Okay, somebody goes there again. That's him right there. Somebody's there. That's the man that's shouting. What the hell are they doing there? Oh, two of them. And somebody's inside. Oh yeah, that's the man. Oh fuck. Oh my god. Okay.
Oh.
He's fucked up. He's really fucked up. Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. That's really bad. Oh shit. That's a monster. Somebody's solving the problem maybe. So I hope it's going alright. Okay, that was like really crazy. I hope it won't be me sometime, you know. I'm going home. Not because I'm scared, but because I have to. It's the last bus that's going where I'm from. Yeah, and my dad is showing treasures from Kalamazoo when he was studying at university there. That's cool. Oh, some shots, tequila shots. Oh my god, what's going on? He put up a party. What did he do? We're cleaning the pool right now. What the hell is he doing? You wanna jump there or what?
I'm gonna do a fucking backflip.
I'm here. He's inside already. Warm.
It's freaking cold!
Okay. He's saying it's warm.
About this much warm.
Oh my god, this looks great. This is good. Some bubble maker. Oh my god. What the fuck is going on? Some guy from Germany. We've got some academy today, so I hope it's gonna be fun.
Dei giorni miei d'amore, dimmi che sai.
Yummy. I was cleaning pool, but now we're about to go on a boat. There's gonna be a big party there right here. Oh. Let's go, here we are.